Auto racing is about as exciting as it gets. Racers are pushing themselves and their vehicles to the limit every day. Racers demand performance, agility, accuracy, and so do we.
Just as racers and folks that go to the track are trying to be better every day and be high performers, it's no different with an individual or a team at Lane Automotive. We are always striving to do better for our customers and improve our customer experience.
Lane Automotive was started in 1964 by George Lane, our founder. It is a family-run business, and we are a leading supplier of aftermarket performance auto parts. We stock over 100,000 SKUs here in Watervliet, Michigan. We have access to 3.5 million SKUs for our customers.
So we service various customer segments and verticals today, primary of which is our business-to-business segment. We also fulfill for those businesses where they sell online or through their marketplaces. Lane Automotive has evolved over the past several decades. We've expanded almost every 10 to 15 years, the latest of which was in 2016, where we built another 262,000 square feet onto this distribution center. When we did that, we layered in some additional technology, which allowed us to improve our operations, but as we've grown, as our volumes have grown, and our order characteristics and the customers that we serve have changed a bit, we found the need to really go back and transform our operations to make sure that we've set the foundation to propel our business for the next decade or more.
That's when we started to look at different robotic solutions and automation solutions. We partnered with Conveco and came up with our existing solution with Exotec as the centerpiece of it.
It was critically important for us to actually design an end-to-end solution. So on one side of Exotec, we've designed a replenishment system. Each replenishment station equips our associates with 24 put cells to complete operations. When we look at Exotec and what its capabilities are, we also sought to design automation that could complement Exotec's presentation stations. So what we designed was an empty carton delivery system. That empty carton delivery system is a consumption on demand model where we deliver the right size carton for a given order to our associates at these presentation stations. They're able to pick the product directly out of the SkyPod robot and into those cartons and push them away for automated documentation, packing, and shipping.
So on the customer side, we really wanted to increase the accuracy of our orders going out of here and increase the productivity so that we could get more orders out of here each day, same day for our customers. We'll see 60 to 70% of our orders come in after 3 p.m. and we have a 6 p.m. cutoff in order to make our carrier cutoffs. We were seeing about 100 minutes from taking the order and getting it on the truck. We're down to about 15 minutes with Exotec now. So we went from picking roughly 50 an hour to over 300 an hour per presentation station, so a 6-fold increase in productivity. On the employee side, we're really looking to improve the ergonomics and decrease the walk time for them, because currently they were walking approximately several miles a day picking product, and now we're looking at a system that is goods to person, and basically they wouldn't have to walk at all.
When I was manual picking, on average I would range from 12 to 15 miles a day, but now that we have the robots, it has decreased that and it has made it way faster, so whenever I go home I'm not as tired, and it definitely makes work more enjoyable.
We needed to look at a solution where we could store our product much more densely.
80% of our volume is serviced out of our 2-story super pick module. That super module today is 98,000 square feet. With Exotec and how we sized it and its storage density, that allows us to move 85% of that product out of the 2-story pick module into less than a 25,000 square foot footprint of Exotec.
So it was a huge increase in storage density and being able to get a lot more product out of this building.
That's huge for us. That allows us to expand that system, it allows us to grow within the system, and it will give us a lot of runway to continue to grow our SKU base and add on more products to service our customers. It was critical for us to choose a partner and to choose an automation that would allow us to minimally disrupt operations and grow. We're able to add another presentation station for outbound picking over a weekend. We can provide double the throughput on inbound for receiving in a weekend, and if need be, to increase the throughput of product going out the door, we can add more robots within an hour. So this solution is really going to transform our ability to meet and exceed our customer demands.